Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your trusted source for the latest and most detailed reviews on premium and performance-driven vehicles. Today, we're diving into the impressive Yamaha XSR 155, a motorcycle that blends modern performance with retro styling, delivering a ride that's both exhilarating and stylish. The Yamaha XSR 155 is a standout in the neo-retro category, designed for riders who want the charm of classic motorcycles but the capability and reliability of modern engineering. With its roots in Yamaha's XSR Heritage series, the 155 is the most compact offering in the lineup, but it packs a punch when it comes to looks, build quality, and on-road performance. It draws design inspiration from the larger XSR siblings and features elements like a circular LED headlamp, round taillight, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and dual-tone paint schemes that ooze vintage appeal. Powering the XSR 155 is a 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-valve engine that produces around 19.3 horsepower at 10,000 rpm and 14.7 Nm of torque at 8,500 rpm. This is the same VV8 variable valve actuation engine found in the Yamaha R15, MT15, and other models, known for its smooth performance and high revving nature. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with an assist and slipper clutch, which makes for smoother downshifts and easier handling during aggressive riding. This setup not only gives it a sporty edge but also makes the bike versatile enough for city commutes and occasional highway runs. One of the key attractions of the Yamaha XSR 155 is its Delta box frame, which contributes to superior handling and stability, especially at higher speeds. The motorcycle is equipped with telescopic front forks and a monoshock at the rear, offering a balanced ride quality that feels firm yet comfortable. The bike rolls on 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in tubeless tires, giving it an agile character and ensuring a confident grip on different road surfaces. Braking duties are handled by a disc brake at both ends, providing adequate stopping power. However, it is worth noting that the XSR 155 comes with a single-channel ABS setup, which is slightly behind some of its rivals offering dual-channel ABS. Despite that, the braking performance is responsive and instills a sense of safety during daily rides and emergency situations. In terms of dimensions, the bike maintains a good balance between compactness and comfort. It has a seat height of about 810 mm, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. The upright handlebars and slightly rear-set foot pegs deliver a relaxed yet sporty riding position, suitable for both short and long journeys. The digital LCD instrument cluster displays all the necessary information clearly, including gear position, trip meter, fuel gauge, and more, although some riders may find the display a bit small in size. Another strong point of the Yamaha XSR 155 is its fuel efficiency. With proper riding habits, the bike can deliver mileage figures in the range of 40 to 45 kmpl, making it a practical option for everyday use without compromising on performance. Its 10-liter fuel tank also ensures decent range between refueling stops. Overall, the Yamaha XSR 155 is an ideal machine for enthusiasts who value design, performance, and day-to-day usability in one sleek package. It offers a premium feel in the 150cc segment and stands out with its unique aesthetic and capable engine. Thank you for watching this detailed review on the Yamaha XSR 155 here on SNAutoLuxury. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more exciting reviews and automotive content, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more in-depth reviews your way.